Hi, this is Rakesh Roy and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to install Telnet on your laptop or desktop. For that, you please open Settings. In the search box, type Telnet. Now click on this option. Now search Telnet over here. For that, you please scroll down and select the Telnet. Click on OK. It will install the Telnet on your laptop or desktop. Once complete, you can use the Telnet after restart. It will take some time, depend on your laptop or desktop speed. Now it is installing. It is completed. Now you can reboot the laptop or desktop, or then you can use the Telnet. Thank you for watching.